In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Slack to Zendesk. If you've been looking to streamline your communication by integrating two of your most essential tools, then you've clicked on the right video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to smoothly link your Slack workspace with Zendesk, helping you to ensure that your team stays informed and responsive without having to constantly switch between platforms. To begin, you'll want to launch Slack and log into your workspace. This is the place you and your team already spend a lot of time communicating. And today, we're going to make it even more powerful by bringing Zendesk into the mix. Once you're in Slack, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section of Slack is essentially your gateway to all the amazing integrations you can add, with one of the most useful being Zendesk. The next step is to search for Zendesk within the Apps section. You can do this by using the search bar at the top. Simply type in Zendesk, and you should see the official Zendesk app pop up in your results. It's important to select the official Zendesk app, as this ensures you're working with the most reliable and up-to-date version. Once you've found the Zendesk app, click on it. You'll then be shown an option to add Zendesk to Slack. Click on Add to Slack. This is where Slack starts working its magic, preparing to integrate with Zendesk to help streamline your workflow and improve communication across platforms. As you proceed, you'll come to a screen where Slack will ask you to review the requested permissions that Zendesk needs in order to function correctly within your workspace. This is a critical step as it ensures you are informed about what level of access you're granting. Typically, these requests are necessary for the app to provide its services, such as notifying you of updates or allowing you to manage tickets right from Slack. Take a moment to read through the permissions carefully. Once you're satisfied with the permissions being requested, proceed by clicking Allow. By doing this, you're officially installing the Zendesk app into your Slack workspace. Congratulations! With this final action, you've successfully linked your Slack to Zendesk. Now your teams can enjoy improved communication and responsiveness all within the convenient environment of Slack. This new integration allows you and your team to have real-time conversations about customer support issues while staying organized and efficient. Make sure to explore all the features that this integration offers so you can maximize its potential for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making your digital tools work for you.